How to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X account. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application X or Twitter is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. At the bottom, tap on Settings and Support. And then once again head over to Settings and Privacy. It will open up your settings. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you need to head over to Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Now head over to Data Uses at the bottom. You will be landing on this page. In this page, you should see the option where it says Video Autoplay. Click on it. You have to set these settings to Never. Once you have set to Never, your auto scroll option will be disabled or it will be turned off successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off auto scroll on Twitter. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.